Good morning, guys. What's going on? Even though it's 8 o'clock at night, another day, Tuesday. Today's a very special day, actually. I woke up really freaking tired today for whatever reason. I'm sure you can kind of see it in my eyes. It's today, but I'm in a super great mood. I really want to. Two things are happening today. One, hopefully I'm putting a model on the truck that I've been meaning to do for a long time, and it's really going to change the look of my truck. Something that I'm really excited about, and I know you guys are going to be excited about too. But I want to take this time while I got your attention real quick before we jump into the vlog today. Daily bread number 11, I think. I've got a buddy back in Florida who, sent me a message last night. He doesn't have coronavirus or anything, but he got some really bad, just terrible news the other day. I'm not going to name his name just because I don't want to put his business out there, but I want him to know that, we're really thinking about him. We're here for him. A lot of this channel, a lot of this Instagram, everything that I do is to help motivate and let you guys know that we can do anything that we want in our lives. And I'm a normal ass dude, I really am. I mean, I'm not anything special. Instagram followers, the subscribers, it means a lot to me, but it doesn't mean anything. It's a number on a screen. I'm just super grateful to have the support of you guys, and I try as much as I can to give that support back to you guys, because I know what it's like to have a couple hundred, couple thousand followers and to have people not recognize you, have people not know who you are, have people not respect you, whatever the case is. And I really try with everything in me, no matter how big I get, how successful I get, whatever, to give that back to you guys, so you guys know that it doesn't matter, And I want to take this time and let my man know we're thinking about him, we're praying for him, and when he gets all better and he gets back going again, we're gonna get this bread together, me and him, and we're gonna take over the world. We're really gonna do that. So stay safe. Y'all be safe. Just because the coronavirus is going on doesn't mean that other bad things can't happen. And man, started the day off in such a I'm in a great mood, even though I don't sound like it. It's like the morning I get congested and all kinds of crap. It's just it's weird. But you guys stay safe out there. Y'all like the little I shaved it all off. I got rid of it except for the mustache. I saved the mustache for you guys today just so I could have a little mustache. I like that. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's jump into the vlog. Daily bread 11. I think we're 11. TMZ.
I'm here, I'm live. Let's go. Let's get that bread this morning.
Are we popping again?
Yeah.
So far this morning, I've had 2 sausage biscuits. I've had some Cheetos Puffs. I've had an apple. We're gonna have some popcorn here in a second. I've got some shrimp noodles from the gas station and a meal prep. Now I've also, this is the best part, probably have the worst 2 foods to eat around a bunch of guys possible, but we're gonna do it anyway. I got a banana and a cheese stick. We're gonna start something new today, so make sure you guys watch all the way to the end of the video. I have something new I want to try in today's video and continue on after today, so watch till the end. Davis, give us your professional score of this popcorn today.
Well, just from the looks, I'm gonna give it probably about a 3.5.
Wow.
Maybe a 3.6. Just not good today.
Not good today. Dang it. Hey. Y'all ever had the shrimp noodles from the gas station? That shit's pretty good. You know what, guys? I think. You said, what'd you say?
I mean, all these trucks and all of them have tow mirrors except for the wide bow tie. I mean, what's up? What can we do about that?
You've got a good point.
I mean, I keep having to walk by these trucks like this.
Tow mirror, tow mirror, tow mirror.
No tow mirror.
No tow mirror.
Seems like there's something that we can do about it.
Seems like there is something we could do about that. I think that's the plan today. Let's do something about that. Yes, sir, that is the plan today. We are going to put the tow mirrors on the truck. Now, I'm not gonna wire everything in, all of these. For those of you that don't know, I've got a set of Boost Starter Parts tow mirrors that I'm gonna put on the truck. I have the chrome caps on them, the LED switchbacks with the smoked lens, the high output reverse lights, and the defrost and power, obviously. I'm not gonna wire everything in. The only thing that's wired up factory is just the power, which is fine with me for now. I'll do the rest of the wiring another day, but the main point today is to get the mirrors on the truck. That is the goal today. So I'm gonna spend the next couple of minutes, do a little research, and I'm gonna do this myself. So, you know, something I'm really priding myself in is being able to actually work on my own truck sometimes. So that is what we're going to do. Challenge accepted. Tow mirrors are going on today. So I've got the whole door panel off and I've got this panel off. Now most of you are gonna ask, why'd you have to take the whole door panel off? All you need is this. Well, you have to take the door panel off to get to this, unfortunately. But I'm not gonna do like a full how-to install. That's not really how my videos go anymore, but just know, do your research first. Don't just jump into this kind of like I did. But it's actually not turning out that bad. So let's get the old mirror out and get the new one in.
I do. It should be even more.
Old mirror out. Y'all have no idea how excited I am. Old mirror versus new mirror. Holy crap. This is gonna look so good. So like I said, I've got the chrome caps, LED switchbacks with the smoked lenses. I'm not gonna get all that wired in today. We'll deal with that another time. But these are gonna look so good on the truck. I'm so excited. First look at the tow mirrors. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's gonna, oh my god, y'all have no idea how excited holy crap. That looks so good. Oh my goodness. Boost Auto Parts, oh my goodness. We interrupt this program for your daily Duali news. I'd lift the hell out of that thing. Whoa, hey. Whoa.
I don't have a flashlight.
Here, get a big old pair of pliers or something, put him in that. Hey, get a big old
He is big. Oh yeah. Hello.
Went for it.
Is he really eating the popcorn?
Oh my god.
Give him another piece. Well, the mirrors are all done. And it's raining now. And my windows were down. But I am finished. Like I said, everything's not wired up today, but that wasn't the goal. The goal was to get them installed and get them on the truck today. That was the goal. So we're sitting around, watching the rain, eating some popcorn. And like you guys just saw, we trapped a rat in a trash can and we're gonna give it to Bean for his birthday last weekend. Happy birthday, Bean! Here's your present.
Tow mirrors? What are you towing?
Next. From one shoulder to the other. It looks really good. You guys gotta see it. It looks, where's it at? Right there. It looks really good.
Oh god. What's up, buddy? Well, you wanted a new pet. You said you were gonna name him this morning. Well, what's his name, Bean?
Hey, you stay in there, damn it.
For those of you wondering, Lance took the picture, the famous picture that was posted on my Instagram earlier today.
I can take your picture too.
That was awesome, yeah. Hey, you better hit him up.
Hit me up. Let me know. I got the skills, bro.
Before his prices go up.
I got the skills. Well, I don't know. Go ahead.
What are you doing? There you go.
Audio box on that Ford.
It's a Ford. What do y'all think? Ooh, I think this turned out absolutely insane. Huge shout out to Boost Auto Parts. Boost Auto Parts got me right with the mirrors. Absolutely beautiful. Now, just like I said, I have not wired in the LED switchbacks and the defrost and the reverse lights. Have not wired that stuff in yet. The main goal today, you know, I'm trying to keep the videos shorter for the daily vlogs. I wanted to get the mirrors on the truck. I only broke one thing in the doors, and I'll explain that later, but we got the mirrors on the truck. Super, super, super happy with them. No complaints. Boost Auto Parts is the GOAT. Absolute GOAT. Make sure y'all follow them on Instagram. If you are looking for aftermarket tow mirrors, Boost Auto Parts is the way to go. Hands down. I told y'all earlier that I wanted to start something new on the channel. I'm gonna start doing this at the end of every video, so make sure you guys watch till the end of every video. Huge shout out to that.savage.red.bowtie, that savage red bow tie, for commenting on yesterday's video. He said keep the vlogs going even after the quarantine is over. I 100% will keep going. I'm gonna vlog every single day until for some reason I can't anymore. I plan on hitting 100 days straight. That's my goal. But make sure you guys enter the giveaway if you want to win that one custom Bread Gang snapback hat. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram.
Get that bread.
Get that bread. I like it. Hell yeah. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then comment done under this video. That's all you gotta do. You get 2 jam handles, 2 black ones to go on your truck, car, or whatever vehicle that you have, and you get a custom Bread Gang hats. Make sure you guys do so and comment under this video. Done. Comment anything you want, and you might be the shout out or the next comment of the day or whatever I decide that it's gonna be. But I hope you guys had a great day. I will see you guys tomorrow, bright and early, 8 p.m. I guess that's not bright and early. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.